relax. So close your eyes and focus on your breath. Breath is a neutral exercise movement where we have no attachment to it. So there is no negative, no positive to it. So that's why we bring focus on our breath. And take 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. As you focus on your breath, you would notice your breath moving in rhythmic motion. So you can feel your lungs expanding, air going in, relaxing, you're breathing out. You can even feel the warmth of the air around your nostrils. You may sooner or later feel a heightened sensation, heightened state of feeling around you. So you will be able to pick sooner or later even smallest of sounds in the background. While you focus on your breath and your breath moving in rhythmic motion in, out, you can bring your focus on your fingers, on your hands. You will notice a heightened sense of feeling around your fingers, around your hands. Sooner or later, you would start feeling your hands are heavy, a kind of heaviness in your hands. You may bring your focus on your feet and sense the heightened feeling around your feet. You may bring your focus on your face and you would experience your facial muscles relaxing. Some kind of lightness around your muscles, the tension easing out, and this easing out of tension from your face slowly and steadily moving across your body and reaching your toes. When you bring your focus on your face, you would notice sooner or later your eyes are becoming full. Sooner or later you would start feeling heaviness in your eyes. You may also notice sooner or later your throats are getting dry. When you notice dryness in your throat, you can gulp it and make it wet. When your eyes become heavy, you can slightly nod your head and let me know. Great. So I will count from 5 to 1 in reverse order. As I start counting from 5 to 1 in reverse order, you would feel deeper sense of relaxation. So you don't have to do anything, your unconscious knows how to take you deeper in this state of relaxation. It will do it for you. You have to just allow yourself to go through the flow. Five, deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Four, deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Three, deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Two, deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. One, deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. Sooner or later, you would start experiencing that each and every part of your body, each and every atom and molecule of your body is experiencing a state of relaxation. So I will wait for 20 seconds. In these 20 seconds, you would continue to experience deeper state of relaxation. As you focus deeper in the state of relaxation, see yourself sitting in a posture, call it as a lotus posture, where you are comfortably seated, your hands on your knees, see yourself and you are able to see all your 7 chakras. So the first chakra, you can bring your focus on the first chakra, which is also called root chakra, and it is located at the base of our spine in the end of the tailbone area. It is red in color. As you bring your focus on your root chakra, you will notice sooner or later the color of the root chakra, which is red, is becoming bolder, brighter and more beautiful. As the color and its intensity increases, your stability, your physical identity starts balancing. Your physical health, your physical well-being, with the increasing intensity of the red chakra, would start improving. The red color in your body is spreading in your whole body, improving the well-being of each and every part and organ of your body. Your emotional security is also balancing. Your finances, your basic needs are being fulfilled. I will wait for 10 seconds. In this 10 seconds, your unconscious mind will balance the red chakra, increase in intensity, improve your physical and mental well-being. And financial well-being as well. You can bring your focus now on the second chakra, that is sacral chakra, which is orange in color. It is for sexuality, pleasure and creativity. As you bring focus on your chakra, which is orange in color, you would see sooner or later the color of the chakra is increasing in its intensity and is becoming more balanced, brighter, bolder and beautiful. See the orange color being spread out in your body. As the orange color spreads out in your body, it increases your ability to experience pleasure, improves your creativity and increases your sexuality and well-being. See the color and the chakra, orange color, balancing it out, your body absorbing the orange color and you are improving in the areas of sexuality, pleasure and creativity, and you are balancing yourself. I will wait for 10 seconds. In these 10 seconds, your unconscious will balance your sacral chakra. You can now bring your focus on solar plexus chakra, which is yellow in color. It represents your self-esteem and self-confidence. It is located in your stomach area, the upper abdomen. See this yellow chakra balancing it out, the color of the chakra improving, becoming bolder, brighter and beautiful. As the yellow color spreads in your body, all the blockages are being removed. See your digestive system improving, your personal powers improving, your self-esteem, self-confidence increasing manifold. See your unconscious mind balancing the yellow chakra. See your body absorbing the yellow rays flowing out from the yellow chakra, the solar plexus chakra. Each and every atom and molecule of your body absorbing the yellow light, improving, increasing your self-confidence, self-esteem by many folds. I will wait for 10 seconds. In these 10 seconds, your unconscious mind would have removed all the blockages, balanced your chakra and improved and increased your self-confidence and self-esteem many folds. You can bring your focus now on heart chakra, which is green in color. It represents love and compassion. It is located at the center of the chest, just above the heart. It represents love and compassion. See your subconscious mind removing all the blocks from the chakra, the intensity of the green color increasing many folds and spreading in your body, increasing your love and compassion. It is clearing the blocks and making the area around your heart and your lungs and your breathing it is increasing the strength of your heart, your lungs, and removing all the blocks if there is any in your breathing. See the chakra, green chakra, bridging the gap between the bottom and the other top chakras and balancing them out. You're feeling loved, cared, secured, and as a part of family, as a part of society, as a part of the world and the universe. See the green light spreading in your body, each and every atom and molecule of your body absorbing it, increasing the love and compassion for self and others, feeling you secured, feeling you loved, feeling you connected, and your ability to love others increasing. I will be silent for 10 seconds. In these 10 seconds, your unconscious mind will be able to balance your chakra, remove the blockages from the chakra, and would have increased the intensity of the chakra to the optimum. You can now bring your focus on your throat chakra. The throat chakra is in blue in color and it represents communication. It is located in our throat area. See the intensity of the blue color increasing, all the blockages being removed. As the intensity of the blue color increases, you see your ability to communicate verbally and non-verbally is improving manifold. Any problems around your throat area is getting clear. Any problems or issues around your teeth, gum and mouth area is being removed by our unconscious mind, increasing the intensity of blue color, and this blue color is being absorbed by each and every atom and molecule of your body. You are able to have now meaningful communication with your own self and others. You are now able to communicate what you want effortlessly and fluent. Your ability to listen to others with compassion is also increasing. Your self-confidence is increasing and improving manifolds. I will wait for 10 seconds. In these 10 seconds, your unconscious mind would have balanced out your blue chakra and would have seen all your body, all the atoms and molecules of your body has absorbed all the blue color, improving your communication and removing all the blocks in the area around the chakra. Now you can bring your focus on third eye chakra, which is stationed between the eyes on the forehead, also known as brow chakra. It is indigo in color and it represents intuition and imagination. As you bring your focus on the third eye chakra, you would notice sooner or later the intensity of the chakra and its color is increasing. Any blockages around that area are being removed by your unconscious mind. Anytime you have been experiencing headache or difficulty in hearing or in sight, you will notice that your unconscious mind is balancing out the chakra and removing all the issues. Your ability to listen to others is improving and increasing many folds. Your intuitions and your ability to identify and understand intuitions are increasing many folds. Your power of imagination is increasing and improving many folds. You are now able to see the bigger picture instead of only focusing on a part of the picture. See the color of the indigo color, improving it and increasing in its intensity many folds. All the chakras getting aligned, blockages being removed, indigo color spreading in your body and absorbed by each and every atom and molecule of your body, improving your ability to imagine and identify and understand intuitions. I will wait for 10 seconds. In these 10 seconds, your unconscious mind would have balanced out your chakra. Now you can bring your focus on the crown chakra, which is at the very top of our head. It is violet in color with a mix of white, and it represents awareness and intelligence. As the crown chakra is getting balanced, the intensity of violet and white color is increasing. It is spreading in the whole body. Each and every atom and molecule of our body is absorbing these lights, and it is becoming healthy and powerful. With the increase in the intensity of the chakra and the light, you are becoming broad-minded, open-minded. You are becoming more enlightened, more blissed. You are becoming more accepting, open to hear other points of view, more tolerant, more calm, peaceful, and serene. I will wait for 10 seconds. In these 10 seconds, your unconscious mind would have balanced out the chakra, and as the chakra would have balanced out, increased in intensity, your awareness and intelligence would increase and improve many folds. Finally, we would look at all the 7 chakras together and see all the 7 chakras becoming powerful, balanced, and their intensity has increased. As their intensity has increased, each and every chakra and its qualities have improved and increased in you many folds. Your unconscious knows how to balance them out and how to increase the intensity of all that this chakra represents, and it is doing it. As your unconscious mind is balancing out the chakra, you would breathe more deeply, and that will tell me that your unconscious has accepted all the suggestions. As you breathe deeply, you know that your unconscious mind has accepted sooner or later most of the suggestions. I will wait for another 20 seconds and allow your unconscious mind to make all the necessary changes and balance out your all 7 chakras. You can also request your unconscious to balance them out and improve and increase the qualities of the chakras and the qualities they represent many folds in you. Your unconscious knows what needs to be improved and it will do it automatically, as it has all the powers of the universe to do that. You can slowly and steadily bring your focus back on your breath when you are done. You can slightly nod your head and let me know when you are done. Thank you. When you are done, you will bring your focus automatically on your breath. You can keep your eyes closed for a couple of more seconds, and as I start counting from 1 to 5, you will slowly and steadily come back to the normal state. 1, 2, 3, integrate, 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 4, integrate, integrate, 5. You can bring your focus back on your breath. Slowly and steadily open your eyes, and when you are comfortable, you can share your experience.